Hey, what's up you guys? It's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and today I want to take you through a few different methods for tracking down a natural gas leak inside your home. The two different methods that we'll go over is one, a tried and true method, which is a mixture of water and soap. So you're just looking for bubbles, which would be created from the gas leak. And then two, one that I hadn't tried before, and I got off Amazon, a pretty cheap gas leak detector made by HomeFlex. I was kind of questionable whether or not this would work very well, but I had a use case at one of my rental properties. So I took both of these methods over there and see if I could track down what I suspected to be a gas leak, because we could kind of smell that rotten egg smell inside the utility room. So let's jump over there and take a look and see if these methods can track down that leak.
So pretty straightforward as expected. Small spray bottle that can be set to stream, not just a mist setting. And then a 50-50 mixture of soap and water. So I use just regular Dawn dish soap, about a half a cup. And then because the water's off in this rental unit, I also needed to bring half a cup of water to add. And I don't need much solution, so really a full cup is about all I need. So now the water soap mixture is ready to go. Then with the HomeFlex, the gas leak detector, you just remove the top cap. You don't unscrew it, it just pops off. And then you need to go through a calibration procedure. So away from the suspected gas leak, press the power button, and then it'll go through a 25-second calibration where it's detecting air that does not have a gas leak in the environment. And then once it's done and the LED at the bottom is green, now you're ready to go and try to detect the gas leak. So now we're in the utility room of the duplex and really trying to find that gas leak, because I do detect a small rotten egg odor. So I'm going to go through these different interfaces, the reducers and valves and T's and unions and plugs, which this setup has a ton, and try to find that leak, which right here, the gas leak detector actually starts to pick something up. So I back it away, see if I can get to return to a normal level, and then I want to go back to that same area and see if it gives me the same reading to confirm the leak, and it does. Okay, so I'm pretty confident that this is the area of my leak, but what I want to do now is use the second method and see if the water soap mixture would pick up and show bubbles at the same spot. So looking from the other side with the water soap mixture, you want to spray down that interface connection, and especially where this copper pipe goes into that connector. And you can see we have bubbles forming, which indicates that is actually where a gas leak is. So I'm going to respray it down and get a little bit more soap on there and see, again, if we can see those bubbles, which coming out the first time, you're pretty confident. So we'll spread it on there a little bit and see, and sure enough, bubbles form. Okay, so we're confident. I'm going to get a professional in here. Both those methods worked to find that gas leak.
Well, good news, we found the gas leak, and now I'm getting a professional over there to take care of it. This is something that I would usually tackle by myself, but the duplex within question has just had so many years of T's and branches and caps coming off the main gas line that I want to simplify that down. So I'm going to get a professional in there, get it all cleaned up, and then of course take care of that gas leak. For my money, I'm going to go with the gas leak detector. That is what I'm going to carry in my standard toolkit. I just think it's easier to use. You're not worrying about the water soap mix. You're not worrying about carrying a spray bottle. And this is just more compact and fits in my toolbox. And I thought it was more effective to cover more ground, more connections, and to quickly track down that gas leak. So I would recommend this one. The HomeFlex was about 25 bucks off Amazon. If you want to see the link in the description, you'll see exactly which one that I went for and used and recommend. I was really happy with the overall performance. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll keep these type of videos coming out, and hopefully they help you guys around your house or your rental properties. So this is Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and I'll catch you on the next one.